Hello, my name is Brehon and I'd like to welcome you back to the channel, where not only do we talk about great stocks, but we also talk about great books. And today, we have just a technical analysis on fuel cell, what I expect for the week. Now, I am long on fuel cell. I believe that it has a lot of room to run, but occasionally I like to jump in, play some call options and put options when possible. Now, I like to start with the weekly chart. Now, we take a look at the MACD. We can see that the weekly chart has been strong momentum wise. Okay, it's moving upwardly nicely. Now we have a nice upward trend. Now when I saw this candle here a couple of weeks ago, the shooting star, this is a signal of a reversal in pattern, but we had more strong movement to the upside, and based on this weekly chart here, things are running quite smoothly. Now last week we did have the stock shoot up to a high of $25. Then the bears came in. The bears came in and pushed it down to a close of $20.76. All right, now let's take a look at the daily chart. Now, as we can see, nice, smooth uptrend. All right, and this is what you want. You want, it to move away from the 20. We have a hanging man candle here, which is a sign of a reversal in pattern. Came back to the 20-day moving average, moved away from the 20-day moving average, had a pullback. Then we had nice, strong upward movement. Then we came back down a little bit closer to the 20-day moving average. Now we are moving upward in a nice trend here. We have the long doji count, dragonfly doji, with the small spinning top indicator here, which could be a reversal for which could be a sign for a reversal in pattern. All right, now when we take a look at the 4-hour chart here. Now 4-hour chart gives you a little closer look of the big picture. Again, the stock is moving quite nicely along with the 20-day moving average, just like we like it. Now we can see we do have some resistance here, and we can see that there may be a potential pullback to the $19 mark. Now today at the open, we are opening up almost 89 cents. So we may have a green day today. And what I'm thinking is we had such a huge sell-off on Friday that we may have some money coming back into the market. So that will push stocks up a little bit, but we may have some more red days ahead. I can see fuel cell dropping a little bit more this week, but again, hopefully we'll have a good green day. And you never know, we may have an opportunity to continue this upward trend, but based on the resistance we had here and the slight pullback, I'm thinking that we may push back down to even $19 a share, $19.08. Now, if we did push down to $19.08, even below that, that's a plus. All right, that's a great healthy pullback, and that gives us an opportunity to add more shares, or we could place more call options. All right, so if you take a look at the history, we move away from the 20, come back to the 20, a little bit below the 20, we ride the 20 up. Again, above the 20, come back to the 20, fall below the 20. And so this is what I'm looking for here. I'm looking for a fuel cell to fall back below the $19 mark. That gives us a great opportunity to buy some more call options or add more shares to our portfolio. All right, now hopefully, now let's take a look at the hourly chart. See what the hourly chart is telling us. Okay, again, so we take a look at the hourly chart. Now the last 5 hours of the day, 1, 2, 3, 4, all right, 5, 1, 2, 3, yep, 5 candles here. We can see steady movement to the downside. All right, steady movement to the downside. Now, let's see here. Now, if we could establish some support here, we could actually say that this is our support line. So we have some support here. We have support here on 2 candles, and we have some support here. So if we break through the support, we can consider it a strong downtrend. We can actually see fuel cell going back down to $19. And again, that is a plus for us. We want the dips. We want to be able to buy on the dips, place call options on the dips, and potentially make more money in the long run. All right, now that's all I have today for fuel cell. Now I hope this video added a little bit of value to you. If it did, please leave a like. If this is your first time checking me out, hit the subscribe button. Hey, and keep coming back for more wealth building information. Peace.